Amazon is hiding gadgets most people never see until they go viral. Today, I'm showing you the smartest, weirdest, and most useful ones you didn't know you needed. Canslab Ultrablade. Opening cans shouldn't be dangerous. This electric can opener fixes that completely. Just press once and it does everything for you. Cuts smoothly around the side and stops automatically. No sharp edges, no mess, no effort. It's USB rechargeable, super quiet, and opens over 100 cans on a single charge. Perfect for busy kitchens, seniors, or anyone tired of wrestling with lids. This is how can openers should work in 2026. Aromax Mini Drill Pen. This looks like a pen, but it's actually a precision drill. It's designed for detailed work like jewelry, crafts, electronics, wood, and plastic. You get multiple speed settings so delicate projects don't get ruined. The OLED screen and built-in lights let you see exactly what you're doing. Portable, USB-C rechargeable, and incredibly precise. Small tool, serious accuracy. Wireless driveway alarm. You may not hear movement outside, but this does. This driveway alarm instantly alerts you when someone or something enters your property. It works up to half a mile, detects motion from about 50 feet, and runs in rain, heat, or snow without issues. No Wi-Fi, no apps, no complicated setup. Just simple, reliable awareness and peace of mind. Biometric Smart Safe. Your bedside setup just got smarter. This compact safe opens in under a half second using fingerprint access, a PIN, or a backup key. On top, it wirelessly charges your phone and smartwatch, no extra cables needed. It also works as a smart clock, showing time, temperature, and battery status. Silent mode, interior lighting, and quick access in the dark. One device, multiple functions, zero clutter. Divoom TimesGate. If your desk looks boring, this fixes that instantly. This cyber-style digital display features multiple pixel screens showing animated art, time, weather, and notifications. You can design your own pixel creations or download designs from a global community. Perfect for gaming setups, offices, or content creators. It's not just a clock, it's a statement. Portable shoe dryer. What shoes ruin mornings? This prevents that. This compact dryer pushes warm, gentle air through shoes, boots, and even gloves, drying them overnight without damage. No noise, no odors, no shrinking. Use it at home or in the car. Your shoes will be ready before you are. Baseus Universal Travel Adapter. Traveling with multiple chargers? Stop doing that. This all-in-one adapter works in over 200 countries and includes a built-in USB-C cable with fast charging up to 45 watts. You can charge up to 6 devices at the same time: phone, laptop, tablet, earbuds. Small enough for your pocket, powerful enough for everything you carry. A must-have for travelers. Large digital wall clock. If you've ever squinted at a clock, this is for you. This oversized digital display shows time and temperature clearly from across the room. It automatically dims at night and offers multiple color options, alarms, timers, and even a remote control. Perfect for bedrooms, gyms, offices, classrooms, or gaming rooms. Big display, smart features, zero hassle. Kineon Move 2. Sore joints after long days or workouts? This wearable recovery device combines red light and infrared therapy to help target pain, stiffness, and inflammation. Just strap it on, press start, and let it work. Hands-free. Portable, easy to use, and designed for daily recovery. Relief without the extra effort. Cinlinso Printer Go. Yes, this prints on food. This portable printer lets you print images, logos, or text directly onto coffee, desserts, and drinks using edible ink. Cafes use it for branding, parties use it for reactions, creators use it for viral content. Drop it, upload, print. Instant wow factor. Magnetic pickup tool. Dropped a screw and it vanished? Not anymore. This extendable magnetic tool bends, stretches, and lights up to grab metal parts from tight spaces, under furniture, inside engines, behind appliances. Strong magnet, bright LED, pocket-friendly. If you fix things, this saves serious time. Bluetooth speakerphone stand. Watching videos without a stand or good sound? Problem solved. This gadget combines a sturdy phone stand with a Bluetooth speaker. Set your angle, press play, and enjoy loud, clear audio. It even includes white noise modes for sleep or focus. Home, outdoors, calls, gaming, one gadget does it all. RAK Multitool Pen. Looks like a pen until you need it. This multi-tool pen packs 11 tools, including screwdrivers, a level, ruler, LED light, bottle opener, and stylus, all in a durable metal body that still writes smoothly. Perfect for work, cars, home, or gifts. You'll use it more than you expect. Cinlinso high-power flashlight. When the lights go out, this takes over. This ultra-bright flashlight lights up massive areas, zooms for distance, and includes multiple modes, including emergency red light. It's rechargeable, weather-resistant, and built tough. Camping, emergencies, road trips, this one's ready. Connectable contour gauge. Messing up cuts costs time and money. This prevents that. Press it against any shape, lock it in place, and transfer the exact outline. You can even snap two gauges together for wider surfaces. Perfect for flooring, trim, pipes, and DIY projects. One move, perfect fit. That's it for today's gadget lineup. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and check the description for links to everything you saw. Stay curious, stay smart with your tech, and I'll see you in the next one.